If you've been trying to delete your old Hotmail account but keep getting lost in Microsoft's menus, don't worry. Today, I'm breaking it all down step by step. This is the full guide to permanently deleting your Hotmail or Outlook account the right way. It's quick, it's simple, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do and what to check before hitting that final delete button. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to the Outlook login page. Sign in using the Hotmail account you want to delete. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture or your initials. From that menu, select View Account. This will take you directly to your Microsoft account dashboard. Inside the dashboard, click on Your Info. Scroll down until you find an option that says Close Account. This is the section Microsoft uses for full account deletion, not just email deactivation. When you click Close Account, Microsoft will walk you through a series of confirmation screens. Pay close attention here. You'll need to confirm a few things before the system lets you proceed. First, make sure you've backed up anything important. Emails, attachments, contacts, or files stored in OneDrive. Once the account is closed, all of that becomes inaccessible. Second, double check that your Hotmail address is not being used as a recovery email for any other accounts. Otherwise, you could lock yourself out of other services later. Third, if you're using this Hotmail address for logins across apps, websites, subscriptions, Xbox, Skype, or any Microsoft services, update those accounts with a new email before you delete this one. This step prevents future login issues. After reviewing these items, proceed through Microsoft's prompts. When everything is confirmed, you'll see a final notice. Your account is scheduled for closure. This doesn't delete it instantly. Microsoft places the account in a grace period, usually between 30 and 60 days. During this time, you can still recover your Hotmail account just by signing back in. But if you don't, the account will be permanently deleted once the grace period ends. And that's it. Your Hotmail account is officially on its way out. Follow these checks carefully and the whole process takes just a few minutes. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.